So let's discuss today different types of tenses. Right. There are three major tenses: present, past, future, and each tense has four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now, what we have to do, we have to revise it in max 5 minutes. Just see, in simple present tense, what do we use? We use subject plus verb 1. And to verb s/es. When do we use simple present tense? We use to express our daily activities, like I go to school, I go to market, I take bath, I study, I play. These are my daily activities, and if I have to express them, I express them in simple present tense. So when I express them in this format: subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. S or es, for example, go is the root form, and to go es is added. As when we have last letter o, such kinds of last letter double s, so we add es to that verb. So in simple present tense, simply we use subject plus verb 1. But if the subject is first person, singular, we don't use s or es to verb. So it will be I go. If the subject is first person plural, we, then again we will not add s or es. So we go. So that's it for simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, what do? We use here, subject is common here, we use here am, is, are. Am, is, are the helping verbs, so we have to choose any one, plus we have to use ing to main verb. So here he is going. Right. Now when do we use present continuous tense? We use to express any action which is going on at the moment when speaker is speaking. So right now when I am speaking, my movements are going on, right? So I will express them in present continuous tense. Next we have present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we have to use has, have, right? As per the subject verb conquered. So has, have plus V3. So accordingly, he has gone. Gone is V3. When do we use present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used when the speaker is speaking at that moment if some action has completed. So till this moment, if any action has completed, it might have started in past somewhere, maybe 1 hour before, 1 day before, but completed right now, and I have to express that action. We will express that in present continuous tense. In present perfect tense. Now, perfect continuous tense, here we have perfect, action is completed, as well as continuous. So, the command will be has, have plus been verb will be used, verb ing. Now, when do we use this? We use, suppose I started living in Mumbai in 2000, today it is 2025, my action of living in Mumbai is going on, still it is going on, and in future it may also continue. So I will say that I have been living in Mumbai for last 25 years or since 2000, right? Now here past, simple past tense, again subject plus verb 2. In present simple, you have verb 1, here we have verb 2. So accordingly he went. So when do we use this? We use this to express any action which has been completed, right? In past. So what is the difference there between present perfect and simple past? When we are referring to past, remember we have to use simple past. For example, I took my lunch at 2 o'clock. Okay. So 2 o'clock in afternoon, past. I have made reference. I completed my study yesterday. Yesterday, past reference. But if I am not mentioning any past reference, then I can use present perfect tense. I have completed my study. I have taken my lunch. Right? Then you have past perfect tense. Again, in past perfect tense you have had here. As we have in present perfect, as have, you have had here and be3. Right? Where do we use past perfect tense? Past perfect tense is used in past at a particular moment if two actions have been taken place, out of those, and we have to express those two actions in past. To express the earlier action in the past, we use past perfect tense. So when my friend called me, I had gone outside. So calling of my friend and going outside, which action took place first? Going outside took place first, then my friend called me. So that's why when my friend called me, called simple past, I had gone outside. Had gone outside, past perfect. And you have past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, again in past, some action had taken in past only, and at a particular moment in past only the action was going on. I am talking about the second action in the past, but the action might have continued in past only from that moment ahead. So I will use past perfect continuous tense. So he had been going. Again here been use ing is there. Future. Now simple future tense. Again here subject shall will. Helping verb will be shall will, and V1. V1 will be there in future tense. So simply he will go. When we use shall is used generally for I and we. For rest of all subject we use will. Then future continuous tense, subject plus shall, will plus be plus verb ing. He will be going. Here be is added, right? Now when do we use future continuous tense? Future continuous tense is used to express an action in future at particular moment we think that will be going on. So if I ask what you will be doing tomorrow at this time, so you may be playing. So you will say I will be playing at this moment tomorrow, or I will be taking my dinner at 8 p.m. Right? So in future at a particular moment, if the action will be going on, we use future perfect, future continuous tense. Now future perfect tense, in future only, suppose one action will complete at particular moment. So by 2025 April, your class 10, class 12 will have completed. Your exams will have over. So at that particular moment, if the action will be completed, we use future perfect tense. Again, this tense, future perfect continuous tense. What we use here? Shall will plus have plus been plus being. He will have been going. Same way as we are here at a particular moment. Now here in future, right? In future, if at a particular moment one action started, and in future, next future, that action till that moment will going on. You are in the next future moment, and you will use future perfect continuous tense to express that tense, right? Express that action. It is normally used in your sci-fi novel, science fiction. This kind of tense is used. Now, just I want to tell you some facts. Facts, what is there? Now see, when we have simple tense, it will present past future. What is there? Simply here in present tense you have V1. In past tense you have V2. In future, to show the future tense, you have shall or will. Shall or will shows that it is future tense. V1 here, V1 here present. What is difference? In future, simple future, shall or will is used, right? In continuous tense, you see here. Now the common format in continuous tense is ing, verb ing, verb ing, verb ing. So ing is there to show continuity, right? To show present tense we have am, is, are. To show past you have here was, were. To show future you have shall, will, be. Right? Imperfect tense, same way. V3 is common here. Right? Verb 3, past participle is common here. But to show present tense you have here has, have. To show past tense you have here had. To show future tense you have here shall, will, and to show perfect tense you have here. Right? In the same way, in perfect continuous tense, all three you will find. To show present here you have has, have. To show past tense you have had here. To show future here you have shall, will. But to show perfect, to show perfect you have been in all the three. And to show continuity you have verb ing, right? All three places you have verb ing. So in this way, to remember this thing, you have to remember